For years, I've traveled the frozen roads of the north. Ice, snow, and isolation were my companions. But today, I found myself in a place far different, Arizona's vast desert. What better way to embrace this change than by grilling a steak under the open sky? Out here, there's no rush, just me, the desert, and time to unwind. Setting up this grill reminds me that even the smallest rituals can bring the greatest joys. Cooking isn't just about food, it's about connection. Even here in the middle of nowhere, the act of preparing a meal feels grounding. The feel of the salt between your fingers, the aroma of fresh pepper, the anticipation of what's to come. That sound, pure satisfaction. It's the sound of effort meeting reward, of taking a moment to savor the now. This is the life, just a trucker and his steak, surrounded by nature's canvas. As the steak rests, the desert gifts me a moment of stillness. The sun dips below the horizon, painting the sky in yellow and blue. It's breathtaking, almost meditative. Moments like this remind me why I keep exploring. There's always a new story, a new view, a new taste waiting out there. Each bite carries the essence of this place, simple, untamed, and unforgettable. Night falls, and the desert comes alive in its own way. The warmth of the fire and the peace of the stars. It's a world away from the chaos of icy roads. Yet, it feels just as familiar, just as perfect. Wherever the road takes you, find your moment.